Django React Nginx serving admin static files. I feel a bit awkward asking a question which has been answered before, however I feel there is a point of difference with regard to having Node serve out the static files as opposed to Django. The CSS bundled by Webpack and served by Node is working with no problems. Where I'm having issues is serving up the admin CSS and another couple of other files using the get_static_ prefix decorator. The file structure is as follows. And the setup in settings.py. I've been going around in circles for a while now. I'm pretty new to Django and don't really get how this works. From what I can understand, the static files _ders are where collect static gathers the static files from, and the static_root is where the static files are dumped after collect static is run. I think the static_URL is where I'm going wrong, but I'm not having much luck figuring it out. As it stands, the admin CSS isn't working when debug equals true now either, so I've misconfigured something. It's resulting in
your location/static is wrong. The alias directive substitutes parts of the URI when forming the path name. The location parameter and the alias parameter should both end with a slash, or neither end with a slash. Or in fact, because the alias parameter ends with the location parameter, you should not be using the alias directive at all. See the note at the end of the alias documentation.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.